Well, here's a classic 1966 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible with air conditioning, power steering, and power brakes. This is a beautiful classic Corvette, and it looks great here on our showroom floor at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. If you'd like to see more detailed photos of this beyond just the video and also the pricing on this car, click the information the link right below this video, and you'll get all that information and those additional beautiful photos. This is code correct rally red on the exterior, code correct black vinyl interior, and it has that beautiful white convertible top. Under the hood, you'll find a numbers matching 300 horsepower, 327 cubic inch engine. This vehicle has a 4-speed manual transmission. Beautiful car, fun to drive. Features include air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, power windows, AM/FM radio. We know it was originally assembled on December 7th, 1965. It's always great to know that information. And this real, and we again remind you, this is a real red-black 1966 Corvette Convertible, and it features the desirable added air conditioning as well as the power steering, power brakes, and power windows. And it's in nice condition as well. The car's paint, good to very good condition, has a great shine. Convertible top is in very good condition, with the exception of the windshield. All exterior glass in this car shows a correct date code. The chrome bumpers show a very good finish. The taillights, weather stripping, are in very good to excellent condition as well. Correct style hubcaps are in good to very good condition, and steel wheels are in good condition as well. This is a beautiful car on the interior. This 66 Corvette Convertible shows excellent dash pods, glove box lids, and door panels. Very good to excellent seats, gauges, seat belts, and center console. Very good carpet, and a good condition steering wheels in place as well. It has a digital AM/FM radio that has been added in place of the original radio, and kick panel speakers have also been added to the car, as well as rear speakers that have been added. It has that numbers matching 327 cubic inch engine in this car, and it shows original casting date of November 23rd, 1965, and the final assembly date, November 26th, 65. Great to know that information. Has the correct air cleaner, carburetor, intake manifold, valve covers, ignition shielding, radiator hoses, and the alternator. They're all in place. And the frame, well, it is clean, solid, and rust-free. Give us a call here at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia at 770-414-5552. We have experienced sales representatives that tell you anything about this car. So be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And when you do hit the notification button, you'll see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. Again, we ship nationwide every week. We can do it less expensive than you can imagine. And we make buying online something you can do with ease, but most importantly, with confidence. We're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Hope to hear from you really soon.